Welcome to lecture number 1 of physics class 9. Today we are going to discuss introduction, that is our first chapter. Our today's lecture outline is this. So let's start with what physics is. Physics is actually the study of nature and energy, and it is actually a branch of science that deals with all the laws of nature and all the systems of nature, whether these are physical natures or sometimes we talk about systems or natural phenomena. And because of these natural phenomena we derive some artificial or made-made phenomena and systems. So we can say that whatever is happening in our universe, or whenever there is an interaction of matter with energy, the branch of physics comes into effect. For example, if you are boiling the water, so boiling of water and the phenomena of boiling of water is actually the study of physics. Similarly, if you are saying there are 9 planets or 8 planets, how they are revolving around the sun, what our galaxy is, how does it look like, how does it function, there are different stars, there are different other galaxies other than our Milky Way galaxies, and what kind of phenomena and processes are happening there. And this is another branch of physics, which is astrophysics or astronomy. Similarly, if you're talking about machines, then machines like cars, automobiles, different automobiles, rickshaws, taxis, trains, airplanes, these all come in under a branch called mechanics, because mechanics is a branch which deals with motion of objects. And motion of objects, something comes in motion whenever it is applied by a force. So that force, if we are considering the force or we are not considering the application of force, both conditions come under a branch of physics, that is mechanics. Now if you are talking about your room and appliances running on electricity, like your fan, like oven, like electric stove, like TV, everything that runs with electricity, this comprises of another branch of physics called electricity. So electricity is a branch that discusses phenomena and effects, causes and effects of electric charges, not just of electric charges but electric charges and motions and the theory behind. From electricity we derive another branch that is called electromagnetism, that is magnetism which is driven by electricity. In our later chapters, when we'll discuss about electromagnetism, we'll find out that a current carrying wire always creates a magnetic field around itself, just like a charge which carries a field around itself. Similarly, current carrying wire or conductor carries a magnetic field. So magnetism can be derived by electrical phenomena. So all those principles, all those informations, all those methods that relates electricity with magnetism will discuss under electromagnetism branch. Now if we talk about solid state physics, it is physics it comes under quantum mechanics. It comprises of metallurgy, it comprises of electromagnetism, it involves crystallography. So solid state physics is actually concerned with the structure and properties of solid materials, like their condensed state. Like if you are talking about condensed matter or condensed matter physics, then this occupies another modern branch of physics which comes under quantum mechanics. Now if you talk about basic materials of sciences like crystals and their structures and metals, heavy metals, and their heat capacity, their magnetic properties, their superconductivity, their optical properties, so all the properties linked with solid materials, whether metals or non-metals, comes under solid state physics.